right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. I'm very happy to present Snoop Dogg and his new latest album called Missionary. It is produced by Dr. Dre, so we just have to have these boys on Garden Guitar, of course. And we're gonna start with this song with the collab Tom Petty and Jelly Roll. It's called Last Dance with Mary Jane. All right, nice song, fits guitar very well actually. So let's go into the chords, and we don't need any cape for this song, okay? It's open and free on the fretboard. So let's start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have a G next. So that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have D minor. That will be open D, second G, third B, first E, and then we'll also have the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. We place the index finger on the second fret and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. All right, so we have this main melody going on, and it's during the verses, and yeah, we're gonna take that chord by chord. So the chord progression will be A minor, G, D minor, and back to A minor. So both starts and ends on A minor, but the licks they're different from each other. So we're gonna start with the first A minor. Goes like this. So it's open A, second D, first B, third B, and open B. Then comes the G part, and what you can do here is to actually hold just the third fret on E string in the bass. And it goes. So that is third fret on E string in the bass. Then open D, open G, open B, and back to open G. Then we have the D minor part, and it goes like this. So that is the open D, second G, first E, third E, and open E. And then we have the final A minor part left, and it goes like this. That is to play open A, second D, second G, first B, and back to second G. And that is one round. And you can hold all the chords here as they are when you do this picking pattern, except perhaps for the G. It's just the third fret on E string. What you need is that. So anyway, one round goes like this. And a couple rounds. So that is what's going on in the melodies and the verses. Okay, you can also do this with strumming. So I believe it's time to go through that now, because we're going to use the strumming for the chorus that we're going to look into soon. But first, the strumming for this verse play. So what you're going to do here is to play down, up, clap, down. Fits perfectly for this song. So if you grab the first chord again, the A minor, you're gonna play like that. So down, up, clap, down. So one down, a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay? You have the chord progression. It's A minor, G, D minor, and back to A minor. One string around per chord, and it will sound like this. So you can build in the melody now into the strumming so it fits there with the clap. And that's how I handle the verse. Now, into the chorus, it happens 2 times in this song. At 6 seconds into the song, and at 2 minutes and 14 seconds into the song. That's the 2 times you're gonna play the chorus. What you're gonna do there is to play the same string we just learned. And you're gonna go G, 4 string rounds, and then the F sharp minor 4 string rounds. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So G4, F sharp 4, G4, F sharp 4, and that is the chorus. It sounds like this. Again, G4, 3, 4, and F sharp, 2, 3, 4, and back to main. Alright guys, so that is how I handle Snoop Dogg's and all of the guys' song called Last Dance with Mary Jane. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you're a fan of Snoop's new album, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. They will be back for sure. So thank you for watching guys, and until next time, play tuned.